Plaid Cymru is of the view that it's in Wales's best interests to remain a part of the European Union. If you're yet to make up your mind, I've 3 points I'd ask you to consider ahead of the vote on the 23rd of June. First of all, please use your vote. You're unlikely to be asked to decide on an issue as important as this for some time to come. Secondly, I'd ask you to question and not be driven by scare stories. Pulling out of the EU will not end immigration. It will not result in extra money for the NHS. It will not stop the cuts. It will risk our economy and many jobs here. This has become less about in versus out and more about the kind of society you want your children and grandchildren to inherit from us. Let that future society be one based on cooperation and not fear of the other. Last but not least, I'd ask you to consider the future of Wales. If Wales is taken out of the EU along with the rest of the UK, I can see our communities and our country at the full mercy of Tories in Westminster who are no friends to Wales. Despite its imperfections, and yes, there are many, the European Union is one institution that gives Wales a voice in the world. Westminster doesn't. It never will. The European Union redistributes wealth to the poorest regions. Wales benefits from this, and the Tories have said that they won't make up the shortfall if we were to leave. We all know that Westminster can't be trusted on funding. The Party of Wales believes that it's in Wales's best interests to make sure we have a voice in the decisions that the EU makes by remaining a partner in the European family of nations. Please vote to remain on the 23rd of June.